just crashed it. I was going to go up and buy a new helmet, and I was going around a corner up my street, and the thing just slid on the corner. I went around the corner, not that fast, 40 k's an hour, but it looks like it's been raining, and I didn't realize that, so that's my fault. And the road was a bit greasy and like oily, so yeah, not as much traction. Thing just slid, and I slid as well. Yeah, it's not too bad, but like, you know, still not great. Yeah, just, I don't know what to say. I just fixed this thing, so I'm more worried about the bike than myself at the moment, because I spent, you know, a long time fixing this thing, but not too much damage. This thing's come out that I did in the last video, which is a bummer. Need to redo this, need to redo the whole thing. Dash is fricked as well. Look at that. I was about to go and repair the LEDs which were behind the dashboard, but now that's forgotten about. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this, because you can't buy the parts, so I might just take off the cover and all that. Yeah, not too happy at the moment, but yeah, just need to repair it. I was actually planning on selling it. I forgot the ad right now on Gumtree, and no one's bought it yet, but I'm sure they're not going to buy it now, judging by the way it looks pretty trash right now. So we'll see what I'm going to do with the scooter. I'll let you guys know what my plans are. Don't know if I'm going to fix it. There's me. Yeah, I'm okay. Yep, sick. Yeah, alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye. And just something to add on, it is completely my fault, no one else's fault, unless it's the road's fault because it was wet and greasy, but I should have been wearing leathers. Like, this wouldn't have happened. I would be completely fine if I was wearing leathers. I was wearing gloves, so my hands are fine, because I got up mid-crash and started like running because I was moving so fast, so I was like sliding. That's what I did, and the scooter just slid off. I heard it, the sound of it just sliding was like, oh, like it made me cringe, but I was too busy, you know, running, so yeah. Now it's raining, all patched up though. Yeah, oh, a bit of lightning now. So, yeah. So I finished everything with the scooter. There's the seat, looking really good, just like it came new. And then down here, done the exhaust. Tires looking very shiny from the tire shine. Also the plastic is looking much darker than it used to from my glossy plastic shining stuff. Also got the front tire all shiny, black scrapes right here, got rid of that. What else do we have? Fixed up this massive crack that used to be there, and I patched it up with some paint and some filler. Not very good paint because it's not the right color, but anyway. I've also done some this used to be white scrapes, but now they're kind of silver sparkly color, wrong color as well, but it looks better than white. So that's most of what I've done to the bike, and it looks much better than it used to. And I got to do the dashboard soon. I'm going to replace the LEDs in the dashboard here, and then it should be all ready, and it'll be great.